Here is how to change or create an admin on your Mac. But before you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So first, we're going to go to our settings. Then, we're going to go to users and groups. Now, as you can see, I'm currently an admin. If you want to change that, you can right click on it, either by double tapping, pressing with 2 fingers, or pressing Control and then clicking. But before you do that, click on the lock to make changes and enter your password. Then you'll be able to right click on it and then go to advanced options. Here you can change your name of your admin account. Now if you want to add a new admin, click on the plus button, enter your name, account name, password, verify it, password hint, and then you can choose administrator on the top. Then press on create user and it will create a new admin user. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I'll see you in the next video.